Hello students, today we are going to study about addition of integers, chapter number 6, integers, class 6, mathematics. So, let's start addition of integers. We have to study addition. It's a very important topic, addition of integers. So, how to add two integers? So, there are four possibilities. What are they? First one, when both are positive, when both the integers are positive, when both the integers are positive. Are positive. So we know integers are positive, negative and 0. So when both are positive, and it is very easy, we can simply add, suppose example, plus 3 and plus 5. So how to add? Plus 3 and plus 5. So simply add plus 8. Second possibility, when both are negative. What happens when both are negative? Now see this one. When both are negative, what happens? Example again, let's take example. Minus 7 and minus 3. Both are negative. Here, these two numbers are negative. So in case of negative, both are negative, then also we have to add. So 7 minus 7, this is the sign of addition, minus 3. Minus and minus. 7 plus 3 is 10, and you have to put the sign of minus. They both negatives will add together, and as both are having negative sign, so negative sign on the sum also, so minus 10. And now the third possibility is that when one is negative and one is positive. When one is negative and the other is positive. So what happens in this case? And we can also say this as a fourth one. There are four possibilities. One, this is 2, this is 3. When one is positive and other is negative, the same thing. So there are two possibilities that combine together. So one negative and one positive. So see this one negative. Let us denote example 1 minus 11, and another one is positive. One is negative and another one is negative, another one is positive. So let's take positive one, plus 8. Now whenever we are adding one negative and one positive, first of all you have to subtract. सबसे पहले उन्हें subtract कर देना है. तो 11 minus 8, 3. अगर वन नेगेटिव और वन पॉजिटिव दिखता है हमें, तो हमेशा हमें उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है. तो हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, 11 में से 8 गए 3. चाहे यहाँ माइनस 8 होता है, यहाँ प्लस 11 होता है, तो भी हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है. व्हेनेवर, जब जब एक नेगेटिव और एक पॉजिटिव आता है, देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया हमने. आफ्टर दैट सी विच हैविंग बिगर साइन. किसका ज्यादा साइन बिगर है? तो माइनस वाला ज्यादा साइन का है, तो इसका हम क्या लगा देंगे? -3 लगा देंगे. अगर यहाँ इसका साइन बड़ा होता तो इसका साइन लगाए थे. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल सी. एक एग्जाम्पल और देखते हैं इसी का. वन एग्जाम्पल इज -15 प्लस, एंड वी हैव टू एड प्लस 18. नाउ इन दिस केस, इस केस में देखो -15 प्लस 18. सो वन नेगेटिव एंड वन पॉजिटिव. और अगर एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव आ जाए, देन यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट. 18 minus 15 is 3, and this time plus 1 is bigger. Plus 1 is bigger, so we have to write plus 3, or simply 3 we can write. So there are three cases. One negative, one positive. When both are negative, and when both the integers are positive. So both are positive, that you have already studied in the previous classes. Now comes both negative, दोनों negative हो तो just simply add them. One more example, see. Let's take one more example. This minus 11 and minus 12. Now both are negative. So simply add them 23 and put the sign negative because both are negative. If both are positive, simply we have to add them. 7 and 9. Both are positive. 16 is the answer. And just important one is this two. When both are negative and one is negative, one is positive. So always you have to remember, अगर एक negative एक positive आता है तो subtract first and put a sign of bigger one. जिसका भी sign वो ले लेगा जिसका bigger value है. तो 11 की bigger value है तो minus sign ले लिया. यहाँ plus की bigger value है तो plus ले लिया उसने. So these are the addition of integers, and so simply we can say, in short we can say, first plus plus, both are plus, so add them, and sign is positive. Positive short form I am writing plus and then v. ये short form में positive का plus लगा के v लगा देते हैं. Now 1 is plus, 1 is minus. 1 plus आ जाए और 1 minus आ जाए. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract. Plus minus always we have to subtract and sign bigger one. जिसका भी sign बड़ा हो वो लगाना है, sign bigger one. Then in case of minus plus also, these two are same. Plus minus minus or minus plus also we have to do subtraction and sign again bigger one. जिसका भी sign बड़ा हो, that sign we have to write. And the last one is minus minus. Both are minus. If both are minus, we have to add them. हमें उनको add करना है और sign कैसा लगाना है? Negative sign लगाना है. So these are the important rules you have to remember. First, second, third, and this is fourth one. So there are 4 rules and we have to learn by heart these 4 rules, then we will not face any problem. And one more thing, sign always appears to the left. Sign हमेशा left में लगाए जाते हैं ना कि right में. कभी भी हमने 23 minus ही लगाना है, हमेशा हमें minus पहले लगाना है. एंड पॉजिटिव की जरूरत नहीं है प्लस लगाने की, चाहे लगा भी देंगे तो नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. सो प्लस 16 और माइनस 16, प्लस 16 और सिंपली 16 इज सेम. एंड हियर आल्सो if one is negative, one is positive, we have to subtract according to the rule. प्लस माइनस और माइनस प्लस दोनों में हमें माइनस करना है और साइन जो बड़ा है उसका लगाना है. और दोनों पॉजिटिव हो तो पॉजिटिव और दोनों नेगेटिव हो तो भी हमको प्लस करना है, मगर साइन हमेशा नेगेटिव को लगाना. सो दिस आर द एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द टॉपिक. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.